Namaste everyone. I have selected Minda Corporation as our first stock for the coming week of swing trading. I am drawing a well-known price action pattern. You guys have to tell me in the comment section what is the name of the pattern is. Please stop the video and then do let me know. So this is an ideal symmetric triangle pattern that is there on the weekly chart. Apart from the formation of the symmetric triangle pattern, look at the way price is making a case of higher highs. The volatility and volume activity is contracting in the formation of the triangle pattern, and that is what we want. From the support level of 185 rupees, the price is pushing towards the breakout level of 225 rupees. Now again, the most important thing is a daily close above 225 rupees. What is better is if there is rising volume activity on the back of a daily close of 225 rupees. If all the factors are aligning, then the round number level of 300 rupees is definitely not out of sight. Having said that, we cannot just ride the wave as it is. We have to calibrate our stop loss according to the price momentum, because the stock price is not going to go in one direction. It will maybe go from 220 till 250, and then some profit booking might ensue, and then on dips price will start making recovery. I am going to finish it off with L&T Finance Holdings Limited. On the daily chart, the trend line breakout was above 85 rupees. Look at the sheer range of the breakout candle. It is quite long along with rising volume activity. When there is a breakout out of a trend line or a tight channel pattern, for the breakout to persist, there has to be a follow-up buying activity, and it is there in L&T Finance, vindicated by presence of long-range bullish candles along with the rising volume activity. Now I'll go to the weekly chart to find out relevant targets that we can book our profits at. I foresee the beginning of the trend line at 125 rupees as an important level, and this is where most buyers are likely to exit out of their position. Before that, I do not see any significant hindrance to the rally starting out at 85 rupees.